Pegasus Lighting is an online lighting retailer. We sell unique lighting products for your special needs. Our website is focused both on education around lighting, education around the products, as well as obviously being an online retailer. My role is I am the president of Pegasus Lighting, also responsible for all e-commerce and digital marketing. Previous to Agiliron, we used two systems. One was a on-premise solution where we had server infrastructure. Orders flowed into that order management, inventory management system. And the pain points around that, one, the keeping up our servers. I am a lighting website. I am not a technology company. I didn't want to own servers, didn't want us infrastructure. We're not a huge company, but I did, basically I had to have 3 virtual servers just to manage my on-premise solution. And I have remote employees as well, so I needed to set up complicated VPN system for security, 2-factor authentication. I had to manage that infrastructure, I had to upgrade that infrastructure, I had to patch that infrastructure. And then the software itself that we were using had kind of gotten long in the tooth, it gotten to a place where it was kind of older, not a modern code base or platform. And so it became clear that we needed to migrate. I looked for a cloud-based solution. Around that same time, I was also looking to move to a new e-commerce platform. And I had selected an e-commerce platform that had a built-in order management system. The thought was that I would be able to just be in one place. Unfortunately, that new e-commerce platform, the order management, while solid, still wasn't as robust as we needed it to be to handle drop ship, to really truly handle our inventory management. Inventory management piece wasn't working as well as I would have liked. And so I looked at Agiliron previously, actually, 12 months prior, and reached back out to Agiliron, determined that the Agiliron solution hit all my checks, all the check boxes. It was not on-prem, it was cloud, it was stable. It had the ability to do both fulfillment in-house as well as drop ship, solid inventory management, could connect to my e-commerce platform from an API perspective. Also great people to work with. We're able to be flexible with what my needs were. And then connecting on the shipping side to ShipStation, another a cloud-based solution that fulfilled our shipping needs, and everything just kind of worked well together. Cost, number one, moving away from that on-premise solution, I reduced my ongoing expenses in terms of managing servers. The older solution also had a number of bugs that were causing problems on an almost daily basis, which would stop our operations essentially as we try to track down how to work around that bug. The level of support from that solution that I was previously using had really fallen off and was no longer providing solid support. So those 3 things alone, I now spend less money. I have the same functionality I had before. I don't have bugs. It just works. And in the rare time that something is kind of out of whack, the support is fantastic and they respond quickly and resolve that issue. As we were integrating to our e-com platform, I was able to do a lot of testing in the back end so that really once we were able to go live, the onboarding process was simple because we were doing it as we were doing that build process. I like that it works all the time. I mean, I'll be honest, from an order management, inventory management perspective, that That's the most important thing for me from an operational standpoint, is that in order hits, an inventory is deducted, I'm able to easily fulfill. It's efficient. I mean, honestly, that is the most important thing. Are there, in terms of whiz bang feature set, mostly stability. That's the most important thing for me. I have a solid recommendation. The support is responsive. If I ask for a new feature, sometimes it's able to be implemented quickly, as long as there's a good business case for it, or it gets rolled into a future release. I like that there are quarterly releases. The software is continually getting new feature sets and being improved. And again, I go back to that it works. It's got a good price point, and it's stable.